Everyone, welcome back to my channel GTech. It's my Raz, and once again we are doing AWS is doing auto scaling video. I told you in the previous video about an elastic load balancer that we'll be doing one video on the auto scaling. So today on that topic we're doing it. The AWS service automatically adjusts the number of EC2 instances in your cloud environment based on the demands to ensure that your applications always has the right amount of computing powers, not too much, not too little. Uh, and this auto-scaling system is used. This reduces the manual work and improve the efficiency. So in this video, we'll be talking about the what is auto-scaling, why use auto-scaling, how auto-scaling works, key components of auto-scaling, what are the benefits, and some of the real examples. Okay. So what is auto-scaling? Let's talk about that one. So, an auto-scaling group is basically a group of EC2 instances that AWS manage for you. Okay, it is a collection of EC2 instances that manage the single unit. So, when traffic increases, the group automatically launches a new instances. When demands drop, it terminates or execute the extra one to save the cost. It also monitor the instances health, replacing any unhealthy uh, any un, any unhealthy or unused one to keep your application running smoothly. Okay, so the basic function is it is a collection of the EC2 instances, and it automatically add and remove the instances according to the need and demands of the at that situation. So why do we use this scaling group? Okay, uh, we use auto scaling group mainly to balance the cost and performance. Mostly focus on the performance and also balance the cost. Okay, during busy hours or events, auto scaling ensures enough instances are running to handle the user request. At night or day, uh, at night or during the low traffic periods, it automatically shut down the unused instances, saving money. This keeps your systems both cost effective and highly available at all the time. See, there are the dual advantage. So when there is no use or there isn't any traffic, very less traffic, then it automatically shut down the instances, and when there is a huge number of traffic, then it will restart the instances and your performance will go smoothly. So how auto scaling works? How does it works? Okay, auto scaling continuously monitor your instance performance metrics like CPU use or the network graphics. Okay, so if the CPU usage stay high for a few minutes, it triggers a scaling policy to add a new instances. So if a traffic drops, it may terminate the extra instances to save the cost. Simple. It also performs health checks to replace any unhealthy instances automatically. So it has the two main function. It always check the metrics of the uh, environment like CPU use or the network traffic. According to the based on those things, it automatically add the instances or terminate the instances, which directly makes the advantage on the efficient effective cost and the smooth running of the system. So next is the key components of the auto scaling group. Auto scaling groups works with several key components. Okay, those are launch templates, scaling policies, health check, load balancer. These are the things. Okay. Launch templates defines what type of instances to use, its AMI, and other settings. Okay, so what does a scaling policies do? Scaling policies decide when to add or remove instances. For example, if CPU is higher than 70% for 5 minutes, then it will automatically add the instances. Okay, so what does health check means? Health check monitor the instances status and the load balancer in evenly distributed users traffic among the health instances. So load balancer, sorry, health checker ensure the instances are working very properly. There isn't any kind of fault or any kind of things. And load balancer ensure that the traffic is being distributed evenly in all the instances. So what are the benefits? Now let's talk about the benefits of the uh, auto scaling. Okay, auto scaling groups makes life easier for the developers and administrator. So you don't need to manually add or remove the servers. The system does it automatically. It ensures stable performance. It's the capability based on real-time metrics from CloudWatch, and helps to reduce the AWS billing by removing idle instances. So this is the most important. So see, we can see that reduce the manual management. That is one thing because it automatically done by the AWS. Ensure the consistent performance. Why? Because according to the need and demands, it add and remove the instances. Save the cost with dynamic scaling because of the uh, automatically adding and removing according to the situation. It save the cost. So let's see the real time example. If you have the e-commerce website or traffic spiking site that seems a huge spike in the users during a sales. Auto scaling detects the higher load and automatically launches extra EC2 instances. Okay, the elastic load balancer distributes the request across all servers, and once the scale ended, the traffic goes down. Auto scaling terminates the extra instances, saving money while they maintaining the performance. See, what happens is when there is a spike in the site, then it will automatically launch the EC2 instance and elastic load balancer automatically distribute all the traffic to the different instances automatically. So by this it remove the traffic sorry, by this the service goes smoothly, right? And when the traffic get drops, uh, instances are deleted by itself, and it saves the money as well. So finally, in the conclusion, auto-scaling groups helps you to manage EC2 instances automatically. This maintains the performance, save cost, and improve the reliability, all without a manual efforts. You do all by automatically done by the AWS. This makes auto-scaling a core AWS service for building modern, scalable, and cost-effective cloud application. So thank you everyone for watching the video. If you like the video, please like, share, and subscribe. And if you have any queries regarding the video, then you can let me know by dropping the comments. Thank you so much for watching once again.